really happy and I'm really proud to be here tonight in front of all of you, and I have to apologize first of all for the chaos. I know it was very difficult for you to come in here. There were too many people outside, and there are still probably 2,000 people standing outside trying to get in. I want to apologize really for this situation. I mean, I dreamed of it, but I never thought it's gonna happen. It's my second show now in New York, and I'm very nervous, and I'm very thankful to all of you that you came here to support me and my brand, because believe me, it's not easy. And I remember my first show in Milan a few years ago. I was afraid that nobody would ever come to my show, and today there are so many people, which makes me really, really happy.
Stand up in a motor, bust the dashboard. Stand up in a motor, bust the dashboard. Hold up, wiggle. Candles burning, money burning, graveyard, these niggas. Candle working, big dog, working for. Blood tails on me, pop. Started on that way, I'm tripping Cartier, put a guard bird on you, that was handy. I put that lingo on her, she was Spanish. I feel a wine leader off the Venice. It's continental and it's panoramic. It's complimentary to the savages. Fuck around with me, it be a tragedy. I'm on green, no asparagus. I said, lay, that ain't embarrassing. Wiggle. Hold up, wiggle. Hold up, wiggle. Hold up, now she going on that bitch going. I purchased Adriana, then she lit, with her man rings on me lit, married to the game on the shit, Whoa. Bitch, we made men. We don't pull up in them cribs that we can't get. You can't pull a bitch on Instagram, I ain't hit. And then she tell a lot about me cause she ain't
What is
shit.
exciting about this show is we have a theme, and it's called Good Gone Bad. It's inspired by Cinderella. This is our backstage pass. Look, I'm gonna share with you. And the collection, you will see a few pieces of leather here and there that you can just put it on top like of a t-shirt, and it looks cool and sexy. I myself have like this skirt, leather skirt on the top of the t-shirt, and it's quite romantic. It has that it's rock and roll and has a little romantic side of it too. It's my first time doing the Philipp Plein show, and I heard so many wonderful things about it. The show itself, because it's different. We have performances that's gonna happen, and it's just different. It's so much energy, you know. He does something different for, you know, the Fashion Week. So it's cool to see something unique. I will be wearing two outfits. One, I have this like cool, like rock and roll kind of t-shirt, and it has this Cinderella kind of image in front of it, and then on the top I have this kind of leather type of vest that you put on top of the like t-shirt, and it has like little details on flowers, leather flowers, and it gives like a rock and roll yet romantic fairy tale kind of feel. And my second outfit, I have this long like skirts, and there is again like pieces of leather that integrates the skirt, and there is lace as well, and that's where you capture like the romance and the fairy tale kind of inspiration that he brought up to us.
Percocet, Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, mask on, fuck it, mask off, mask on, fuck it, mask off, Percocet, Miley Percocet, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, 2 cups, toast on with the game, from food stamps to a whole nother domain, out the bottom, I'm a living proof. Ain't compromising, $500,000 on a coupe. Drug houses, looking like Peru. Graduated, I was overdue. Pink money, I can barely move. Ask about me, I'm gon' bust a move.